Y'all, it's been a minute since I did an Amazon wig. These curls are pop, lock, and dropping, girl. Like, girl, look at the curls are curling. The curls are curling.
Cut my check, come and feel the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left. Unless you gon' get right, what the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Been taking it easy like poco a poco.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming to you guys with a unit from Amazon. This wig is from the Amazon store ISEE Hair. I know that that's an individual vendor, but I got it from Amazon instead of direct from the vendor. So this is from ISEE Hair. This is the Mongolian Kinky Curly, and I'm wearing it in 22 inches. So let me just pop it into the specs of this one for you. So in this unit, does come with 4 combs in total, 2 of them in the front, 1 in the middle, 1 comb in the back. It also comes with adjustable straps. It comes with 13x4 parting space, and it also has additional lace in the back, which I kind of feel like is a little bit meaningless because the way that they sew the tracks on the back, you can't really get a natural look, but nonetheless, it does come with lace in the back as well. It's not really pre-plucked. I had to go in and pluck it myself. So let me just come in and show you guys what the hairline's looking like on this one. So as y'all could see, I didn't go all crazy with the baby hairs just because I wanted you to be able to really see what the hairline looks like. It's not as realistic as I would like it to be. I'm me, so I didn't pluck it out crazy, but I did definitely put some work into it. So this is a human hair unit. It did not come with bleach knots or anything like that. So I did go in and bleach the knots, and that's what this is looking like. I feel like it took the bleach pretty well. The knots are still kind of there, but bleaching the knots definitely did help that out some. The density on this hair is really nice, you guys. This is all the hair to the front. If you guys saw on the clips, when this hair dries out, it definitely does get big. The density seems like it's around very minimum 150%, especially when it's wet out like this. The hair does have a little bit of weight to it, but it's not heavy on my head. When it's dried out, it's definitely given like 180 to 200% density. It's definitely a lot of hair, you guys. It has these super tight, pretty curls, which I really, really love, you guys. To define the curls, honestly, all I did was just go in with my spray bottle right here, which I just have some water and 2 different types of conditioners, shook it up, and then spritzed it through the hair to just define the curls some. I did also go in with a little bit of my Lot of Body Milk and Honey Refine Me Curl Defining Mousse to just kind of define the curls out, and I feel like it does definitely take product super well. The hair itself, the quality, I feel like it feels pretty good, honestly. It feels better than I thought it was gonna be. Super, super soft, you guys. I'm not sure if this is gonna be a super longevity type of unit. It is on the lower price side, so I'm not really expecting for this unit to last forever, but honestly, as it is right now, I feel like it's super pretty. This will at least be a good in-between wig. I feel like it's really pretty, and it's given, especially for the price point, for the length, for the density, for the curl pattern, for the quality of the hair so far. I definitely feel like it's given what it should be given. As far as the cap size on this one, you guys, this one is definitely not coming off big head friendly. For sure, it's coming off small and medium-ish head friendly. My head is like 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference, and it's fitting my head. Like, it's just fitting my head, if you get what I'm saying. I haven't adjusted the straps or anything like that. There is no stretch to the cap, so if your head is any bit bigger than in between 22 to 22.5 inches, honey, this will be an issue for you. I was able to stick it down with some manipulation, but I'm positive if my head was any bigger than this, that would be an issue. This hairline will be slipping and sliding back, so definitely just keep that in mind, you guys. I wouldn't necessarily say that this is beginner friendly because I definitely did put some work in, especially when it comes to the hairline. So this is not one that's going to be straight up ready to go out of the box if you like that, like natural hairline type vibe. So definitely just keep that in mind. So let me just pop right into the cons and the pros of this unit. The only con I can say is just because I'm me and I'm very particular when it comes to my wigs, I just wish the hairline was plucked out some more. But I feel like for the price point, it's kind of worth it to put the work in to make it look the way that you want to look. That's why I don't think this is the most beginner friendly, just because there are definitely some customizations that you're gonna have to make for yourself to get it to sit and look the way that you want it to sit. Yeah, so my only con is probably gonna just be particularly me. I just wish that the hairline was plucked out a little bit more. But other than that, I feel like it's all pros, girl. I feel like it's hitting 22 inches, like I said. Of course, it's 22 inches when it's stretched. I like the look when it's dried out. Not super dried out, because then it is giving like Afro vibes, but I do like how it kind of looks when it's dried. Like I said, it takes product well, it's taking the water well. The curls bounce back super quick. Didn't get any tangling. I got some snags here and there, but of course, it's kinky curly hair. Like, it needs to be moisturized, but as a whole, I feel like it's a super cute unit. Density is nice. Hair quality is nice. Curl pattern is beautiful. Price point was really great for some human kinky curly Mongolian hair. I mean, as a whole, I feel like it's good. Like, This is me trying it day one. I'm gonna let you guys know how it holds up for me, but I feel like as a whole right now, I wouldn't be too upset if it doesn't last super long, because I feel like you get what you pay for. Price point wasn't super high for this one. It was definitely affordable for sure. That's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any units you want to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.